Hello, kamusta po kayo? This is Joy and welcome to my channel, aiOme TV. Sa video ito ay isi-share ko kung paano ko inilagay ang aking tax info sa Google Adsense. Mag-sign in. Ito na. Punta na lang dito, may notification kasi sa taas, manage tax info. Pero pag ito sa payments, mayroon din papunta doon sa pareho din. So diretso na lang tayo sa manage tax info. Provide or update your tax information. Your payment profile and country determine how your taxes are collected, withheld, and reported. No tax on file. To get payouts from Google, make sure you provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Add tax info. So, may verification. Kailangan mag-login ulit. Ayan. So, to find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. The IRS, the U.S. Tax Return Authority, requires that tax info be reported in letters A to Z or numbers. For accented characters, use the letter only, such as N for any. So, what type of account is? Siyempre, individual. Are you citizen or resident of the United States? No. Next, select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. So, it's either W8 Ben or W8 ECI. So, W8 Ben, this form is most commonly used for non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So, dahil individual ako, ito. Ayan, start W8 Ben form. Tax identity. Be sure this information is exactly the same as on your tax documents and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. So, ayan. Matik naman lumitaw na yung pangalan ko on file nila. May nakalagay DBA, doing business as name or disregarded entity. So, taxpayer identification number, foreign TIN. Next. Bakit ayaw? Why? Why oh why? Oh, sorry. Dapat eto muna pala. Eto. Kita ko. Philippines. So, ayan. Name, matik na yan. Tapos, DBA, then Philippines, and my TIN. Click next. Address, permanent residence address. Philippines. Tapos, ayan. So, mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Kasi pareho lang naman sa akin. So, clinic ko na lang. Tapos, nagmatic na. Next. Residents of the country region claiming treaty with the U.S. Andito bang Philippines? Oh, yes. So, there. Tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Ayan. Yes. Tapos, clinic lang yung para sa drop-down menu at ayan na ang Philippines. You may be exempt or have taxes withheld at a reduced rate on certain income type earned within the U.S. These reduced rates and exemptions vary among countries and specific income types. Select all that apply to you. You can claim any future income type that you may plan to earn from Google products. So, services. Wala namang pagpipilian, kaya pinili ko na lang 0 rate. Ang pagpipili ito kasi sa services such as Adsense. So sa Adsense tayo sa di ba? So pagka-click ko, Article 8 and Paragraph 1 ang lumabas. Click ko na lang. Ito naman, withholding tax 0% reduced treaty rate, 30% default rate, no treaty. So may treaty nga, di ba? Lumabas yung pangalan ng country sa taas. So ayan, 0. Ayan, reason na meets the terms of the treaty article. As a tax resident of the country region identified in the tax identity section, the individual identified in the tax identity section meets required terms of the treaty, doesn't have a permanent establishment in the U.S., and doesn't perform independent personal services in the U.S. from a fixed base in the U.S. or the right or property in respect of which royalties are paid isn't effectively connected with a permanent established or fixed base. So, ayan. Check. Motion picture and TV royalties such as YouTube movies and shows and play partners. 15% reduced treaty rate. Piliin natin yon. Other copyright royalties such as play and YouTube partner program. May lumalabas na naman na isasagot. Next. So, yes. Ayan. So, dito sa part na to, ayan, lalabas yung tax identity, address, tax treaty. So, yes. Resident of country, region, ayan, check yung box, tapos piliin ang Philippines, tapos check lang yung mga boxes, tapos pipiliin yung, syempre yung withholding rate, 0, reduced treaty rate for services such as Adsense, and then for motion pictures, TV royalties, 15% reduced treaty rates. Tapos yung sa iba pa, other copyrights, royalties such as play and YouTube partner program, 15% reduced rates, treaty rates. So, next. So, ayan na, may tax identity, address, mailing address, same as permanent residence address. Tapos, lumabas na yung sa tax treaty, yung mga Tapos, with document preview, this is how your document will be generated. Review the 4 PDFs and confirm your information forms. Ayan. Ayan para sa ano na ba yun? Motion picture and TV, tapos from W8 Ben for other copyright, and then lahat yan so matic na nag-degenerate na siya pag na-fill outan yung form. Ayan. Pag okay na, I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true and correct and complete. Check. And then, next. Ayan. Same. Yung mga kanina, info. Tapos, yan, lumabas na. Your signature. Full legal name. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Signature of beneficial owner or individual authorized to sign for beneficial owner. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes. Here, note, ang inilagay ko dito ay yung pangalan ko, hindi ako nag-upload ng signature. Ang alam ko kasi kapag mga e-documents kahit walang e-signature ay talaga namang valid yun. Okay. So, try natin. Next. So, certified by so, ayan na. Has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section performed any activities and services for Google within US? Within? Yes. Ayan. Are you providing tax info for a new existing payment profile that hasn't received payments, or an existing payment profile that has previously received payment? I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments kapag nabayaran na. So, under penalties of perjury, I declare that the information and certification contained herein. So, eto, I am providing tax info for an existing payments profile that has previously received payments. Nabayaran naman ako dati ng Google AdSense, kaya previously received payments. Pero kapag bago pa lang, or dati nang may account pero hindi pa nababayaran, malamang sa eto yun sa taas. Tingnan pa natin. So, ito yung last part. So, andun na ng tax identity, address, tax treaty, document preview, reviewed and confirmed, certification, activities and services performed in the US, and affidavit. Yes. Tapos, status change affidavit. I declare that the information and certification contained herein remain the same and unchanged except as provided below. Pareho naman. So, submit. Okay. So, ayan. Approve. So, claimed. I'm done with my tax info in Google AdSense. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. Pag hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, pa-subscribe na po at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell for my uploads. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. Bye-bye and mabuhay!